Hey, Julie Thomas with the STR Visionary here, and today I'm going to tell you about how much I love the fact that my hard work directly impacts me as it relates to my short-term rental side hustle. So this is one of those industries that when you get into it, you get out of it what you put into it. And there are definitely jobs out there that I have heard from people where they describe them as like, I can work day in, day out, exhaust myself, take time away from my family, and it contributes to everybody else's success, but I never necessarily feel like I get anything back from that. And let me tell you right now, when you purchase a short-term rental property and you have that very first booking come in because you put your blood, sweat, and tears into a property to design it and create it and stage it and stock it with all the things that you know that your ideal guest wants, and then you get that ideal guest to book your property, there is nothing better than that feeling. And what I will tell you is it is a moment in which you recognize, wow, I did this and this happened as a result. And now I'm earning income from that effort. And I can now go use that income to put it towards something that is really important to me in my life. It could be going toward a college fund. It could be going to paying for that family vacation that you've always wanted to take. It could be paying down that credit card for the first time in 10 years because you've never had additional income to be able to actually pay down your debts. It doesn't matter what it is that you want to use the income for. It's that feeling that you went out and made a choice to invest. You made the right decisions from a design perspective and from a staging and a stocking perspective. And then you received that first booking and it's a satisfied guest and you did that. You made that happen. And there is no better feeling. The most discouraging thing for me as a teacher was teaching content for most of the year and having kids sit down to a state test only to see them struggle on that state test for absolute reasons that I could not control. And then feeling judged because I had students that didn't necessarily pass the test, not from my administrators, not from fellow teachers, but just the general public, right? And this emphasis on test scores. Now I have a side hustle that is a direct reflection of the effort that I put in. The more I take care of my properties, the more I take care of my guests, the more that I get out of that side hustle. Tell me in the comments if this is something that you want for yourself.